I think back to that day, and it's actually a bit of a blur because so much has happened since then.
Just going about my normal day, and I sort of dropped everything with shock.
I remember everything was happening really fast. It was just overwhelming, but I'm sure everybody felt like that.
The COVID-19 pandemic has affected the travel industry in an unprecedented way. We've all missed traveling and bringing your dream vacations to life.
As we prepare to take to the skies again, we've implemented new health and safety measures to make your travel experience touchless where possible and keep employees and customers safe.
Here's what you can expect to see on your next vacation with us.
We are constantly innovating and enhancing our protocols to ensure the health and safety of our employees and customers.
We are looking forward to getting back to doing what we do best, and that's making vacation dreams come true. From the moment you check in, on the plane, and throughout the whole journey, know that you're safe with Sunwing.